my Shine Beauties. So today we're gonna do a small little inventory unboxing. So it's just a small box here. Hide my address, of course. Just a small box here. I haven't opened it. So we're gonna open it together and see what's inside. So I already know some of the things are inside. Well, I know everything that's inside. But sometimes I order new tubes and stuff like that for wholesale, and I can't really remember what it is. So we are both going to find out together. Let's see. All right. Set the box up here. Oh. All right, let's set the box down here. Okay, so they didn't pack that very well. We have some large pans for our big 48 millimeter compacts that we have. We just upgraded our Shine lighters into really big, like hexagon compacts, and these are our small ones for wholesale. These are 36 millimeter. Some of them spilled everywhere. Then we have some eyeshadow pans, of course. So at the top is just all pans, really. All right, I see some cool new tubes. Okay, so these are, everything is dropping, I'm sorry. These are some new tubes that we're gonna have for wholesale and private label. So these are eyeliner tubes, or if you want to use them for like a lash serum or anything like that, but mainly for liquid liners. We do have those in wholesale and private label. So these are one of the new tubes that we have available. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, forgot I ordered these. So these are also new lip gloss tubes for wholesale as well. So the rose gold cover. And they're like hexagon shape. Very pretty. I love these. I love the see-through, the clear so you can see the color. And then a nice applicator there. So these are available for wholesale as well and private label. Let's see what other goodies we have. So I ordered all kinds of those tubes, like all kinds of the liners, all kinds of the lip gloss tubes in that style, all kinds. Then let me see what I ordered. So these ones are, ordered some white ones. Need to have variety. So these are classic white and silver ones, round ones. They hold a lot of product in it. So these ones are available for wholesale as well. You can get your lip glosses put into any tube that you pick that fits your brand best. What is this on my shirt? Something that came out of the box? Okay. So these ones are pretty. I like these ones too. Ordered a bunch of those ones. Then I ordered some of these tubes in different colors. So these are square. This one is silver. This one is red. This one is like a metallic pink. And this one is rose gold. So I just wanted to see the quality of these ones, the shape, and how much, you know, product can fit into them. And then these will definitely be available for wholesale. So whichever ones fit your brand best can go. These are so pretty. I love the metallic. What else? Let's see. These ones are very, like, very fancy. So these are black. These ones are the black ones, and they have like a cute little diamond on top. Like, I love these. Let's see how they open. So just like that. They're a little bit more narrow on the bottom, like they kind of go in. and this sticker at the top, but these are so pretty. And then we have a clear one if you didn't like the black around it. Oh, the two little stoppers in the bottom of the bag, so we'll put that up there. This is a full clear one, and then here's the black one. Aren't these beautiful? Like, can you guys see your Wholesale lip glosses in these tubes? Like, these are amazing. Oh, I kind of think I want them for my brand. No, you guys can have them. So I have these ones so that I could see how much product and stuff fits in them and see how durable they are. These are beautiful. I'm like, I think I am obsessed with these ones so far. All right, what else did I get? So I have a large shipment of our tubes. So these are our classic tubes. If you guys didn't know, I label each and every tube like with vinyl, and probably down the line I'll show you guys exactly how I do that. Each tube is like I cut out the vinyl, weed it, and then transfer it on all of our packaging. I do all of that. So I'll show you guys exactly how to do that with my silhouette machine and the type of vinyl I use maybe later on. But these are our tubes. I'm obsessed with gold, if you didn't notice. Everything gold. So I ordered a large shipment of these because I need to restock for, of course, my brand. What are these? Oh, these are new. Should I show you guys? Should I not show you guys? Okay, I'll show you. So we have pop-up palettes. 5-pan pop-up palettes. So since we create products all the time, sometimes like when we're gonna release a collection, just that certain eyeshadow doesn't really fit in that collection, but it will go with another color story in another palette. So we just decide, you know, we're gonna come up with a palette and make it the pop-up palette. So lots of times they're limited edition and it's very limited stock. So if you ever see a pop-up palette, you need to jump on them. You need to jump on them because they probably will not be restocked. So I'll show you. These are the smaller pans. So these are new ones. Let's see if I can get it open. So these are smaller ones. These have 3 instead of 5. So like we might do something really fancy with these ones, like our very intense duochromes or even maybe multichromes. But these are cuter if you just want like a small little 3-pan color story palette. These are awesome. I love just how compact and small they are. You know, you're going somewhere, stick that in your purse, stick it in, you know, the little zipper part in the back. This is like perfect to go in there. So that's awesome. So I ordered a bunch of those, and I ordered these for private label as well. So compacts. So you may have seen the pans earlier of the 36mm for Wholesale. So those are for highlighters. And then these are one of our options for compacts. So they're black and they're see-through on top, and then, you know, your product information will be on the back. And then your highlighter. So these are really nice and clean. I like how clean the packaging is. Nothing too crazy, but there is crazy ones if you really want something crazy fancy. But these are nice clean black ones. These are available for Wholesale as well. What else did I get? Ooh, these ones. So I got some more eyeliner tubes. So the first ones that I showed you are the black ones. And then we have these pretty pink ones. So these ones are frosted. So this is more like, I wouldn't really say rose gold. Maybe, like, it's just really pinky. Like a metallic pink. I wouldn't really say rose gold. It's metallic pink. But they're frosted and it's a very fine point on the end. And I love these ones too. So you have these two options. If you want to be completely see-through, or if you want it to be a little bit frosty, then you have black and silver, and you have the pink. So we have a bunch of those, a few baggies of these. Stick these over here out of my way. What else do we have? I showed those white tubes. And here's our pop-up palettes. So here's our original ones. We have, I'm running out of space. So here's our 5-pan pop-up palettes. Not sure if you can see. Oh, dropping something. Dropping the bag. So here's our 5-pan pop-up palettes. So here's the ones that we always have, and then here are our new ones that we're not quite sure what we're gonna do with. So here they are. They have like plastic on them, on the mirror. So these, I love these. They're super thin. Like, just literally take them everywhere with you. Ideal for traveling, ideal for traveling. All right, what else? This box is still heavy. I feel like I've already opened everything, but obviously not. So here's our compacts. So these are highlighter compacts. We just upgraded ours, as I was saying earlier. So here they are. They are bigger than before, way bigger than our last ones. Our last ones were black and square, and they held 36 millimeter, and these ones hold 48 millimeter, I believe. 48 or 44 millimeter. I need to double check that. So here they are. There's a little plastic thing on top, and they're half gold and half white. I love these. And then, of course, I put our logo, our brand's name on the front of there. Let's see if I have anything else in here to show you. Nope, I already showed you these white lip gloss tubes. So yes, that is my small inventory haul that I just did. Just picking up some odds and ends. And getting some new colors and new tubes for wholesale. So if you are interested in wholesale, we are in the process of creating a separate website from our personal page. So it will be Shine by SD Wholesale. You can go on the website now and you can enter your email, and then it will give you a notification when the site is up and running. Or you can send us a message or email via our direct one, which is Shine by SD Cosmetics. And we will give you all the information you need there. We will also be doing some videos soon on us making the product and our ingredients. So you'll be able to see how your product is being made, how your products, like how your tubes are being packaged. Sorry, not your tubes being packaged. Your tubes being filled, and just all that behind the scenes fun stuff, because everybody loves that stuff. So yes, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, send us a message on our Instagram at Shine by SD Cosmetics. Don't forget to check out our website at www.shinebysdcosmetics. And if you like these type of videos, like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. Bye, Shine Beauties.